in the movie. Dang, that's pretty awesome. A security is being ramped up after airport theft accidents. Okay, so I keep seeing the news. I'm just gonna, which is good, you know. It's they had the the airport in Manila security measures to be taken, precautions, you know, like advanced, because they were stealing from tourists. Lord knows how long they've been doing this. All right. Just got a new report. It says the Manila International Airport (MIAA) said it's intensifying its security reviews and measures following the recent theft accidents at the Denoy Aquino International Airport. That's the airport in Manila. And I just dropped a blog. Y'all can go check it out. Um, it's it's updates. It's an update on this thing, but we'll go ahead and talk about. So it says here, even though these people manning the screening areas are employees of the OTS and not of the MIAA, they still operate in NAIA, which we administer. Oh, so they're not really. They're OTS employees. They are not directly employed by NIAA. The But they still operate there. It's like I guess it's like a company that's hired by them. Alright, let's continue. It happened under our roof. It is critical that we resolve these issues so as not to cause alarm among passengers and affect their confidence to travel to the Philippines. So, yeah, like I said, they look pretty worried, y'all. More importantly, it negates all efforts of the MIAA to improve the image of NAIA, he added. Not only that, the NAIA rated is rated one of the worst airports, like I think in the world or here in Asia. But uh, I think from Manila and Cebu, the airports, I would choose Cebu Airport. Cebu Airport is it's so nice. More cameras were also installed on top of the screening machine at the Terminal 2. So Terminal 2 in Manila Airport has new cameras, guys. So that's a nice update. They have new cameras. All right. After the pocketing incident, the MIAA also ordered the film cover of a glass panel to be removed for transparency. Blind spots across all terminals were also reviewed for CCTV deployment. We're trying to remove all possible forms of obstruction. This is one of our major deterrents to illegal acts such as pilferage or theft. These facility changes will not be limited to Terminal 2, Chayong said. The MIAA said it is working with OTS on the vetting process and background checking on its personnel. Policies for agencies at the NAIA complex will be strictly enforced. These include prohibiting the bringing of bags by personnel who directly interact with passengers and the implementation